Are you struggling to find the right keywords for your content? Well, I've got a trick for you that will make this task a breeze. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets to find the best keywords for your topic. Let's dive right in. First, open Google Sheets. Now let's go to the menu bar and click on Extensions. Next, select Add-ons and then click Get Add-ons. In the Add-ons marketplace, search for Import from Web without spaces. It should be the first result. Go ahead and click on it and then install it. Click on Continue. Then choose an account to continue with. Again, click on Continue. After that, click on Allow. Click Continue, and it'll take a few seconds to install. Once it's installed, we need to enter a formula to start fetching keywords. Head back to your sheet and in an empty cell, copy the first formula given in the description and paste it here. Now, replace text in the formula with the topic you're interested in. For example, if you're looking for keywords related to home workout routine, just type that in and press Enter. As you can see, a few related keywords are now added to the sheet. But what if you want to dig deeper and find even more related keywords? There's a way to do that too. In an empty cell, type equals import from Google, followed by an open bracket. Select the cell with your main topic, add a comma, and then close the bracket. Press Enter. And there you have it. More keywords related to your topic, all fetched in a matter of seconds. Amazing, right? This trick can save you so much time and help you focus on the right keywords for your content. Try it out and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Sheets and other tools.